Guys, we're going to find the median, which means we're going to find the number in the middle. So I'm using a Google Doc, so that way you guys can see from my Excel the question. So I'm going to copy this and head into my Google Doc. You guys want to use paper, it will be a lot easier. So what you have to do first is order the numbers from least to greatest, so from smallest to biggest. So I want to look, and I see the smallest number here is 19. So I'm going to write 19, space, and I'm actually going to cross it out so I don't use it again. And then my next number is going to be 21. And then I'm going to space it. And then again, I'm going to cross out the 21 that I see. And then I'm going to look and see my next number is actually another 21. I'm going to space it, put some more space there. And I'm going to cross out that 21. And then I'm going to look. My next number is a 21. And space it. And I am going to cross it out. And then my next number here is 22. So I'm going to type 22. Again, I'm going to cross out 22. My next number is 23. And I'm going to cross out 23. And then I see I actually have another 23. I'm going to cross that out. And then I actually have another 23. I'm going to cross that out. And my last number, my biggest number here is 24. And I'm just going to cross it out just because we crossed everything else out. Okay, so once you have your numbers from least to greatest, obviously on paper this would be a lot quicker, and then typing and crossing out like I just did. Plus, this tool I have right here is part of the program, so it definitely makes it a lot easier for me to cross out on this program than it would be for you guys on your Google Doc. So now you have to find the number in the middle. So the way I like to do it, just to make it easier, I like to cross out again. So I like to kind of just like work like, okay, the first one, the last one, then the next one, and then the next last one. And I just keep crossing them evenly out. Like you see there's 3 crossed out, 3 crossed out, and then I cross this out, and then I cross this. And then I like to circle the number in the middle. So the median, the number in the middle would be 22. So now I'm going to go back over to my iExcel, and I'm going to type in 22. Okay, so another question again, I'm going to screenshot this so we can see it. I'm going to copy it, bring it over here. And I'm going to paste it. Okay, and then remember we have to order them from smallest to biggest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start and see what is my smallest number. My smallest number is 7. And like I said, I like to cross out because I want to kind of see what I have left. I don't make any mistakes. I'm going to space it. My next smallest number is a 10. And then I'm going to also cross the 10 out so I don't use it again. Okay, my next number is, let's see, 11. And I'm going to cross out my 11. And then my next number is 12. And I'm going to cross out the 12. My next number is 13. And cross out the 13. And then we see my last 2 numbers are the same. They are 17. So I'm just going to write them, and then I'm just going to cross them out so I know I did them. So what we have to do now is we have to figure out which number is in the middle to find the median. We have to figure out the middle number. So just like before, I like to kind of work back and forth. So I'm going to cross out the 7 and the 17, the 10, 17, the 11, the 13, and my number that is left over is 12. And then go back, click this, and type in a 12 and hit submit. Alright guys, so try a bunch of these. Like I said, use paper, pencil, it will just make it a lot easier going from small to big and being able to cross out and circling your number in the middle. Alright, good luck. Email me if you have any questions on this topic.